Girl, I don't have one. I'm super excited. It took this wig a hot little minute to get here. Butta Lace Pre-Cut HD Lace. And this is what she looks like. Just wear and go. The synthetic wigs company been looking over at the virgin hair company and seeing what they got going on. They was like, okay, if y'all could do that, we could do it too. I wanted the color that she had on, honestly. When I actually went to order the wig, it was sold out. Same, smaller knots, pre-tweezed and pre-cut. We gonna see. Let's go ahead and take this hair net. Oh, it just fell out. Okay. Wait a minute. Wait. Oh. Okay. Up. Ooh. Okay. They did it with the parts. Definitely nice and neat. Now, as far as the knots, they did go ahead and make them smaller. Okay, because normally y'all know with synthetic wigs, them knots be big and black. And one thing I noticed, I forgot, is pre-cut. I ain't got cut no lace today. It's giving a middle part with edges. It does have an elastic band. I got the peekaboo color platinum. Y'all know. So this is the hairline straight out the pack, and as you guys can see, they said we don't got to cut no lace. I'm gonna cut some lace off because I don't need all this. All right, so y'all know I told you guys today was a Q&A. Before we get started, I look crazy. Like, if I look like this by the end of the video, I would say it all depends on your lifestyle and what type of girl you are. I'm the type of person who I just want to get up, put a wig on, it's already styled, and I want to be out the door. I need something quick and convenient for me, and that fits my lifestyle. Also, I'm the type of person who gets bored easily with hairstyles. After 2 days, get a wig up off me. I also like to wear different wigs with different outfits. I don't want to feel constricted. But like I said, with synthetic hair, you're gonna have to keep a brush with you at all times. I would say with virgin hair, if you're looking for longevity, you have time to think of styles that you want to do, if you want to be creative, if you want to dye the hair, bleach the hair, if you want something more natural looking, definitely would recommend you to go the virgin hair route. However, virgin hair is high maintenance, so you have to upkeep the hair. You have to wash it. You have to act like it's your own hair. If you wearing straight bone straight hair, you coming out of the house with a silk press, baby, let me tell you, you go out there in that humidity, it's gonna frizz and poof up on you. It's both units shed and both units tangle. So that's just putting wax on the hairline. I ain't gonna put too much up here. Just tapping it. If y'all hear a sound, like a humming sound, it's my Walmart fan. Do y'all have heat flashes on y'all cycle? Now do be mindful, if you got your hot comb up too high, it can change the texture of your hair. I would say this is like a 𝐦𝐞𝐬𝐿 silky. It's like 𝐦𝐞𝐬𝐿 and silky at the same time. So my camera stopped recording while I was hot combing. Y'all see the lace looked 10 times better once I did that. Stop playing, okay? It looks way better. I seen this, I forgot her name. It's something K. Something K. I cannot remember her name. Pretty much, I seen her doing synthetic hair reviews, and I'm like, oh baby, she ate that down. Let me get on her level. Back in 2013, 14, 15, synthetic wigs still wasn't popping. It just wasn't. But I'm like, she made hers look like that. So I'm like, let me just see what I can do with mine. So, like I said, I'm gonna cut this lace off because no ma'am, I just want it closer. Because like I said, the less the lace, the better. Y'all, I'm all over the place. I ain't gonna lie. I'm just gonna be honest. It's just life been lifing lately. It's just in general. And like I said, I'm just trying to figure out what am I doing. Once I get a hang of it, I'll start coming back, update you guys on what I'm doing. So it actually depends on the wig. For the most part, yes. But I do have a bunch of them that I only have gotten around to wearing them once. To revive them, it depends on how many times I wore it. I go in and wash it.
Editing T here. I did not answer that question the way I would like in the video. But anyway, if I'm rewearing a wig and the wig does not have a lot of product buildup on the lace, I usually just take a makeup wipe and pour a little bit of alcohol on there and clean off the lace. You know, and if there's some stubborn product, just grab your bowl of water, get an edge brush, and, you know, just lightly scrub, you know, the product off the lace. If your wig is just overall dirty and there is just too much product buildup on the lace, you're going to have to go in and wash it. How I wash my synthetic wigs, I just go in with a bucket of hot water. I take a little bit of laundry detergent and softener and add it to the mixture. A little bit goes a long way. I place the wig into that mixture and allow it to sit for an hour. After an hour has passed, you will see that that water is completely dirty. I take an edge brush, dip it into that water, and I clean off the lace. You will find that the lace is easy to, you know, be clean because it has been sitting for an hour. After that, depending on the hair, like if I have synthetic straight hair, I would either let it air dry or I would go in and blow dry it and straighten it. If I have body wave hair, I will actually use flexi rods or those heatless curl wrap thingies, and I would just, you know, place that back on the hair to form the, you know, hair back into its original structure. Now, I have not fully washed curly hair, like a full synthetic curly unit, so I can't speak on that.
I feel like with that elastic band, they need an adjustment on it. That way it would stay in place, because I can just pull this back. It's tight, but not tight as I would like it. Like, I would not feel comfortable going outside with this without securing it down. I ain't gonna lie, y'all. Before last year, I was throwing them wigs any old kind of way. I was taking them out the package and throwing them in a like a plastic bin. That's why it's been hard for me to do wig sales these past couple of years. But with my virgin hair wigs, I use that silk bag that it comes with and keep that in there. I'm gonna let you guys know I'm not good at multitasking. My multitasking skills are terrible. Lately, these are actually Amazon lashes. I just bought these from Amazon, and I'll link them below because I was just getting sick and tired of them other ones. Like, sometimes I wore them for like almost 2 years straight, but I'll have them linked below. I think it was called bombextensions.com. I think it was something like that. And the style is Ellie that I normally wear. Like any other video besides this one you seen prior, it was always Ellie. Ellie was my girl. I ain't putting a lot of product on. Alright, them ear tabs, I don't know what they got going on. I'm not even trying to fight with them today, but they just don't want to stick down. Cream foundation and just dab it on the outside of the lace. That way it can blend in a little bit more. And then I'm gonna take a little bit of my lace spray and just spray it on top of it. We definitely have to have our base band, which is the Amazon Prime elastic band. And then I'm just gonna use a random one because I don't have another elastic band. Why haven't I ordered more elastic bands? Alright, let's take this off. Y'all, I've been doing no baby hairs for a hot minute. Yeah, I want some baby hairs today. I left that band on too long because I got an imprint. Let's start off with YouTube. Y'all already know. Well, if you don't know, I've been on YouTube since 2011. My end goal is just to reach 1 million. Now, I have never took YouTube seriously. Like, I've always just looked at it as an outlet to do what I love to do. Y'all cannot tell me this wig don't look good. I want to do something with the front though. Outside of YouTube, I want to travel. I've been wanting to like travel to Dubai. I definitely want to go to Hawaii. I just want to see the world, like more of the world. Oh wait, go back to YouTube. Vlogging. I definitely want to vlog. I don't know which one I'm going to use though. I got the Sony EV10 and I got the Sony a6400 for vlogging. We're gonna do some baby hairs. But yeah, y'all, I really want to vlog. I just want to go into a direction of new content or just make another page. But it's like I can't say a date or when I'm gonna start because I honestly don't know. Girl, I don't have one. I literally don't. It's like when I feel my hair is dirty, that's when I'll wash it. But I really don't have nothing set in stone. I want to develop a hair care routine because I'm trying to get down the waist length. So that's the goal. Y'all think I can do it? It took me a minute. I'm telling you, it'll take you a minute, depending on how much time you are actually putting into the craft. So if you're actually taking the time to lay your wig down once a week, once or twice a week, maybe you're gonna get it real quick. But it is a tedious process. Practice makes improvement, okay? The more you practice it, the better you'll get. I'm gonna tell you one thing right now, it ain't an overnight process. Don't let them people sit up there and lie to you and tell you you can install a wig and you just started it yesterday and you're gonna be top tier by tomorrow. I don't think I've ever had clients. No, I've never had clients. And I had clients in the past when I did like box braids and, you know, stuff like that. Now, as far as family and friends, if you can catch me on a good time, I got you. But 9 times out of 10, I'm always busy. Like, it just really depends on my schedule. I'm gonna take some of my Sebastian spray on top and spray just a little bit.
So y'all, I deleted the end of the video, the footage where I'm finishing answering questions, but it is what it is. I'm gonna give this wig an 8 out of 10. The reason why I say 8 is because we're supposed to be able to wear this wig and go. I couldn't wear it and go because the elastic band in the back wasn't adjustable. So overall, I love the wig, okay? It's a cute little vibe. So yeah, if you guys want to be a part of my future Q&As, leave some questions below. I will have this wig linked in the description section as well. And until my next one, your girl will see you later. Bye guys.